girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma slap on these false niggas.
Period.
I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the middle.
So I just made it. It was a little late because of traffic. I just finished checking in, so I'm waiting on them to come get me. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know I was here though.
Living inside a dream. I stay where the love is wide. I put that hood, I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly.
Stop it. Get some help.
I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say she smell good, that's just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes stupid, stopping like a yes, sir.
Did you miss me?
We about to do some vegetarian grocery shopping. About to show y'all what I eat to stay full.
Wait a damn minute.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just left every day in a race. I really might tap, really spit on my face. Ain't about to die with no money out of game. I was on top of that shit.
Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just start you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around the snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get low, where you been at, mine? Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage with the crank up.
Down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs. Give me. Bitch, I'm tryna score. I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Bitch throw me the alley hoop. Yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop. I fucked around the dunk. Got the small talk. I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting. Turn the flash on. I'm like Win Dixie. I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag.
You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I hear you screaming anything. Find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and feel like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, baby, and I'll be there.
It's 5:22. I'm waiting on them to come get me. Good morning. I know I haven't officially said good morning to y'all because I was just trying to show y'all like what I do in the mornings. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get back there.
We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming, leave you pain. You find a way to keep me in. Baby, do some magic in me.
Yo, hey, I just came back from dialysis or whatever. That girl tried to keep me on to 9:30. Like literally, she tried to keep me on till 9:30. And I was like, baby, I get off at 9:11.
You done lost your damn mind.
So I don't know what y'all got going on or what y'all don't got going on or who. But baby, I get off at 9:11. Mad energy today, y'all. But anyways, yeah, y'all, I'll come back to y'all when I'm eating my breakfast. I finished making my breakfast. I'm finna show y'all, baby. I went in. I'm having a feast this morning just for me. Hi.
Okay. I fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear.
A sausage biscuit, but it's vegan.
I said what I said.
I gotta put y'all into the seat. So basically, right, y'all know I made my whole breakfast, right? I made some grits. Tell me why they fire. And I don't know how to make grits. Like every time I try to make grits, I either put too much water, too much, like it just be. And I just added water and cheese and butter and pepper. Tell me why they fire. At this point, I'm a grit maker.
You to be there for me. You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a